Hey guys, today's video is, as you can tell by the title, a kitchen reno video, and I just decided to film this process when we randomly decide to do it one weekend. My mom has been wanting to redo the kitchen down here. If you guys don't know, we rent from my parents, so she's been wanting to redo the kitchen down here for a while, but we just haven't. But one weekend I was off, she was off, and we decided, let's do it. So we went to Menards, which is the local, like, Lowe's, Home Depot hardware store here. So we went there and we got a Rust-Oleum cabinets paint set, which is like $75, so way cheaper than getting new cabinets. We got some new hardware, which really spruces up the things, and the prices on that can vary, but I think the one we got was like $198 or $298 for each knob. And yeah, we went to town. We also got a new sink, which was not necessarily necessary. But it was on sale, and the sink we had before was white and I hated it. It was constantly dirty. So I'm very happy that we got that. So basically we went to work doing what the Rust-Oleum kit has you do. And yeah, I show you guys the before, the in-between. I don't show us doing it really at all. The only part I show us doing anything is when we're putting the cabinets back on. And then I show the after. So enjoy. We also built some shelving. Adam built that with some wood and and metal shelfy things. I don't know what anything is called. Was not a good YouTuber, and I did not film this process fully, but I thought, hey, some people really just like to see before and afters, and maybe this will be helpful to someone who wants to like renovate their kitchen but doesn't have a lot of money, because I think we spent under $150 for everything. So besides the sink, that's excluding the sink. So enjoy this super short video. Hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, because I want to be coming out with a lot more content. And yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions, leave them below. Comment and say hi. Promise I will say hi back. And thanks for watching. Sorry for my lenses annoying autofocus sounds. Great, did it again. Perfect. Alright, here it is in the in-between stage. Mom has put the first coat on all the cabinets, and now you know what we keep inside all of our cabinets. So there it is with the first coat. We might leave this here as a wood feature. I'm just going to leave that. And we're leaving this as a wood feature. And then these cubbies here. And these cubbies here, because it's just impossible to paint inside of there. And there's a look inside our pantry. We have a very small pantry. Alright, so this is what it's looking like after the first coat in the first stages. Stay tuned.